In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make money right from your mobile phone. Stay with me. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, like I said, I'm going to share with you how you can make money direct from your mobile phone. You don't have to move off the couch, do anything. Just download these two apps and you can start making money today. Literally, it's that easy. So all you need to do is log in through Safari. There'll be a link down below. You can get on through that link and you can start making money. So let me take you through AppKarma and show you a little bit about how it works and what to expect when you get on there. So all it is basically it's a platform that you can use you download games, you play games, and for each thing that you download, each game that you play, and it's not just games, it could be things like starting a free trial with a VPN, or answering some questions for a quiz, anything like that, and they're all tasked on the app. Once you get on there, there's tasks and there's profile questions to fill out. Anyway, let me get into it and show you how this works. So you can cash out with this as well, direct to PayPal, but there are also top brand gift cards like Amazon, iTunes, Google Play that you can cash out with if you don't want to cash directly. So I don't know if you can see here, like this gives you an idea of what's available on this app, what you can do. And if you're not big into games, there are some other things, but games is probably the ones with the most points that are redeemable. Now you have to reach a certain level, so you have to play it a little bit just to get those points back. And then when obviously you've worked up enough points, then you can check out your cash into PayPal or get those gift cards. Now it says here that $10 PayPal is 12,500 points. So it's not exactly point for pound, or well, it wouldn't be, would it? It wouldn't be a point for pound, but it would be, some of them, it would be like 100 points equals £10, etc. But it's not quite that. It's 12,500 points equals $10. And I keep saying pounds. Obviously, you can tell I'm from the UK, but I'm living here in the US, and I'm always saying the wrong thing. Like, I'm still not used to it. And all the words that are different. Anyway, that's for another video. The words that are different, UK, US. Stay tuned for that one. So yeah, like I said, Amazon, iTunes, or PayPal you can cash out with. Here's an idea, look, Coinmaster. So reach the 4th village to get the reward, and you get 1,161 points for that. There's loads of them on there. Install and open, enter your zip code, download an app off the offer wall, and you get 2,025 points for that. And as you go through and you do them, and they're dead simple, that's all you got to do. Download it. You may have to like play a little bit of one game or answer a couple of questions on a quiz for another, but all these points start to add up. And then when you get as little as 12,000, you can see how quick they're going to add up. 2,000 for that one, 1,480 for that one, 1,100 for that one, and so on and so forth. And they're going to add up. So as you start doing them, the points are going to quickly become thousands and thousands of points. And you can cash them out through PayPal and make yourself a little bit of extra money. And it really is only a little bit of extra money. You're not going to earn hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pounds, dollars, whichever country you live in, you know, a day or a week. But it is going to give you a little bit of extra income. And if that's what you're looking for, then great. Now, the second app I want to show you, that before I finish, there's also referral rewards for this. So if you give somebody your referral reward and they sign up to AppKarma using your referral link, then you get a bonus, but they get points just to start with. So literally just from using your referral code, you're going to be giving somebody that signs up new points to start with, and then you're going to earn points off their referral as well. So it's a win-win for both of you. So the next one that I want to talk about is called Make Money Free Cash App. Now, this is available on all devices. It is available on iTunes, so you can download it direct from iTunes. Now, this one it's not called Free Cash App on iTunes, but it is this come on, what's my words? Where's my words? Gosh, it's like, I don't know what time it is. I don't know. It's like, let's have a look. 11:04 in the morning. Why can't I talk? I need a cup of tea. Okay, so it's going to have this picture. It's going to look like this. It's just not called. It's going to have this picture. It's going to look like this. It's just not called Free Cash App, but it is the same thing. It's just called something different on iTunes. I'll be able to show you in a minute what it looks like on iTunes. So basically, this is very much like the first one I showed you. And you go on, but with this one, there's no gift cards. This is cash only. This is going to give you cash direct into PayPal for everything that you do. It's got 4.6 reviews. There's 435,000 people using this app. And you can read through the reviews and see what people say. And I'm sure some people won't like it very much, or, you know, some people will be loving it. I thought it was really easy when I had a play around with this, and I actually made quite a few thousand points with this. So what you do, it's the same thing. You download games, you answer quizzes, you've got some really basic quizzes that you can get started with this one, and it's simple, like verify your email account, it's like their Facebook page, and enter a referral link, and just dead simple ones like that. And then you go down onto, now let me have a look, because I've got a screenshot here for you to look at. You go this here, tasks, and then there's balance, payout, settings, and you get a task of the day, and you can see it gives you 680 points just by doing that. And then you can go down into the available tasks that are further down on this tasks screen. So you've got a Coin Master, rate 5 stars, Amora Coffee, Blaze of Battle. Blaze of Battle is 6,000 points on its own. And all you do on that is, what does it say? Upgrade your dragon to level 5. How hard can that be? Literally download the game, upgrade your dragon to level 5, get 6,000 points. That's a little under £5, £5, which would be about $5. I think it cashes out at about the same dollars for points. Obviously a little less for sterling, because sterling's stronger than the dollar for now. There was another one I wanted to show you here, but get rid of that. Final Fantasy, look at those. 25,000 points. 25,000. That's like $25. And all you've got to do is download the game, open the app, and reach level like 100,000. And 100,000 is dead easy. Now, I don't know if any of you have seen where Ryan said before how me and him met. We met playing games. So I know from looking at that Final Fantasy, which I have actually had a go on myself, played that for probably a month or so. No time for games anymore, but I really did play them, and that's how we met, on a game called Game of War. And I hate the game now, but love it for, you know, what it did. Anyway, so dead easy, back to the point, dead easy. Get your account to 100,000, and that's it. You get 25,000 points, which is about, I don't know, £15. I mean, literally, you are getting paid for playing the game. You don't have to do anything. Just on your phone, when you would be sitting there probably playing games or flicking through Facebook, log on to that, do a few things on the game until you've built your account up to 100,000, and then get paid for it. Happy days, right? And like you can see from here, that there's a complete your profile task, and that gives you 50. And then you've got Coin Master, reach the 4th village. I've already said that, right? Well, Credit Sesame, Pop Slots Casino games. There is loads of them. Choose the one that you think fits you, or just do them all. And they're not going to take you that long, but what it is going to give you is a little bit more cash at the end of the month. If you want a gym membership, if you want to go on a night out, if you just want to be able to give your kids extra pocket money, whatever it is that you want that bit of extra cash for, these apps are going to help you get there. They're not going to make you rich, like I said, but they are going to help you make extra cash. I've got one more screenshot that I want to show you, and this is how it cashes out. So this one cashes out on PayPal, like I said, and it is cash only. There are no gift cards with this one whatsoever. It's purely cash. So 7,500 credits is going to give you £5, which is about $7. So if you're doing this in the US, you are likely to be getting, and I don't know why mine's coming up in pounds, because I'm pretty sure I'm on the US iTunes store. Anyway, it's given it to me in pound, whereas the other one showed in dollars. Anyway, £5 payout, which is probably about $7.50. 15,000 for £10. 30,000 credits gives you £20. 75,000 gives you £50. So as you can see, that 25,000 points for just playing around on a game that is not going to take up any extra time. You don't have to go anywhere. Just get your phone out and do it while you're watching TV or while the adverts are on or whatever. You're going to get yourself just short of £20, or it's going to be about $25. Why wouldn't you do it, right? That's the two things that I wanted to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got some value out of the video. If you did, let me know. Like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so that you get notified of new videos when we come out with them. I'm going to be trying to find new ways all the time to try and help you make extra money online. I'm going to try and show you exactly how to do it. If there's anything that you want me to look at for you, let me know and I'll do my best to find it. That's it for this video. Live simply and be grateful, guys. Thanks for watching.